Welcome back to the channel, guys. So on this one we got a real nasty lawn install we're working on. I tried to get video of the whole thing, but I got bits and pieces, so bear with me. So here we are moving this tree that we planted and staked 10 feet. We have to move it because customer wanted it moved, thought it was no big deal. Of course, here's some ruts that we're dealing with, and underneath all these ruts is rock. So having a good season, but really getting blasted with some difficult jobs and difficult customers for that matter. Honestly, just looking forward to taking a little break from the residential sector here. Shape 450 back here, still running amazing. Give it up for the 450. You know what it is, folks. Old girl still just working away. No problem at all, knock on wood. I had an issue with my tailgate the other day. I unlocked one of these sides on the job and forgot about it. Went to go dump some mulch later on. And the whole tailgate was only attached by this right here. And yeah, I tried lifting it myself. The steel gate's extremely heavy, folks. You gotta be some kind of Superman to put this thing back on. So that's exactly what I did. I grabbed the mini excavator and grabbed the tailgate, put it back on, and everything worked out. I should have filmed it, missed it because I was in a huge hurry, but the ear got bent when I did it, and I had to take it back off, set it on the ground, and I just curled the bucket and straightened it out, pulled it toward the blade. I used the blade to like hold it, and I pulled it back, managed to get it fixed, and it actually shuts better now than it ever has. So you know what I mean? You just gotta hang in there, folks, and things will work out eventually. If you're having a rough landscape season every spring, especially in Ohio, we're coming out of winter, everything's a little crazy. Still cold here today, like 50, 55 maybe. Issue with some a layer of sandstone. There's a layer of sandstone underneath all this dirt back here, so we had to bring in some fill dirt to kind of fill this lawn, and it actually is doing an amazing job spreading out super nice and doing exactly what we wanted it to, filling in these massive ruts. Still got a little bit more work to do over here, and it actually was not that much soil, but we can re-scrape this back a bunch of times and work it where it needs to go. Just got to be kind of smart about it. But we're bringing in 60 ton of topsoil next to put down. We got these trees we planted. We planted this one. Was back here, but he wanted us to move it, and that's where things get a little hairy. How do you charge for that? It took us about an hour, maybe a little more, but customers don't always realize how much stuff costs. Even just 1 hour on the job can be a couple $100, if not $1,000 or more, real quick. So looking pretty good though. Glad we brought this fill dirt. It's pretty decent. It breaks up. It's grading out relatively nicely. So what we're gonna do, jump up in the skid here and fire it up, let it warm up, probably get this rock hound off. Maybe I'll go suck the other side real quick and then take that off. Probably pretty much done with that. It's flat enough to lay topsoil on top, and it's getting a pretty thick coat, so it's countersunk. Got a little bit of rock right there. I'll probably come suck this up. That's what I got going on over here. I mean, overall, I'm blessed. I'm having a good season. All my work is like a mile away from my house. So what could be better than that? I go home for lunch almost every day. Very thankful. Everything's going really decent overall. Oh, the thing I was going to show you about the skid steer is the bucket pins. I'll have to grab that at some point. Here goes another customer coming out. He's looking around. He's thinking about it. I gave him a quote. He's thinking about it. He's over there poking something in the ground. Oh, Jesus. I didn't know 80-year-old guys could move like that. Wow. Okay. He just did kind of a split and he picking up some rock. Huh? So that's a good that's a good thing. It's always nice. Might have to take the bucket to it a little bit yet, but it's kind of getting the rocks, leveling, doing a little bit of both. Decent. It was bad back there. I mean, it was all rock. But Topsoil's here. This dude driving this dump truck is a freaking quack. I mean, he is always crabby, this dump truck driver. Yo. How's your day going?
Do you need a full load on the second one?
Oh yeah.
And how many bales of straw?
As many as you can fit on there. Well, I did not get all of it spread before he got back. He's back. Load number 2. Man, his wheels don't look too good there. Load number 2, he said he can't get load number 3 today, so have to do it in the morning, but it's going up. Fail. There you go. The old boy still got the slap. Alrighty, YouTube, we're on day 2. We're going to finish up this little lawn install. Let's take a walk around. First things first, the 450's sitting proud and strong on a Monday morning again, folks. The V10 running like a champ. It's about a $9,000 dump truck. Does the work of a $90,000 dump truck. So here we have the front tree lawn. Let me back up a little bit. Phone always wants to zoom in. So here we have the front tree lawn. 259's chilling, coming off a weekend, looking pretty decent. Got the tree lawns done. Let's take a look at the back. I should probably go ahead and put my work boots on. I'm gonna do that now. I don't want to get my socks all dirty, get my feet all dirty. My feet don't like being dirty. Alright, got my little cute little hat on. Gotta work boots on. Gotta work boots on. Now we are ready, my friend, to start working like a dog. So let's do a quick walk around. Show you the back. Gotta document everything. Gotta show we did. You got to document everything. People say you didn't do it. What the? Yeah, plunger out here. So annoying. I wish I could say that I still enjoy working for homeowners. I'm gonna be honest, I don't. They don't take things professionally. Look, he probably hasn't watered this tree in how long? It's probably gonna die. You know? I got this back straightened out. Remember how rutted up it was? I got a mad dog over here, all pissed off on a Monday morning. So there you have it. Oh, they got concrete. They are pouring. Good for them. Concrete on a Monday morning. Nothing like concrete on a Monday morning, folks.